From our nominees, Aaron Lukas to be the Principal Deputy Director of National Intelligence, Joe Kent to be the Director of the National Counterterrorism Center, and John Eisenberg to be the Assistant Attorney General for National Security at the Department of Justice. As an initial matter, Committee Rule 5.4 states that unless otherwise ordered by joint determination made by the Chair and Vice Chair, no confirmation hearing shall be held sooner than 7 calendar days after receipt of the background questionnaire, financial disclosure statement, and responses to additional pre-hearing questions. While the committee received most of the nominees' materials at least 7 days in advance, we received the final batch of documents within that 7-day time frame. Nevertheless, the Vice Chairman graciously has agreed to a joint determination to hold this hearing so we could get them done before our upcoming recess. Also, I would like to remind all those in attendance that while you're welcome to observe today's hearing, Vice Chairman Warner and I are in agreement that we will not allow disruptions by the audience. Audience members may not verbally or physically distract from the hearing, including by shouting, standing, raising signs, making gestures that block the view of members of the audience, or otherwise annoying the chairman. Those who do so will be immediately escorted from the room. Our goal in conducting this hearing is to enable the committee to begin consideration of the nominees' qualifications and to allow for our members' thoughtful deliberation. Each nominee here has provided substantive written responses to dozens of questions presented by the committee. Today, of course, members will be able to ask additional questions and hear from the nominees. The nominees before the committee today are exceptionally well qualified, capable, and impressive individuals with accomplished careers in public service. Their records and achievements speak for themselves. First, Mr. Lukas has made an outside impact on our national security through his service as a career CIA officer and station chief, and through joint duty rotations with the National Security Council and the Office of the Director of National Intelligence. With more than 20 years of intelligence experience, Mr. Lukas has the knowledge, know-how, and expertise needed to assist Director Gabbard in returning our intelligence community to its core mission of aggressively stealing secrets from our adversaries. He is joined today by his wife. This committee is eager to see the ODNI return to its original size, scope, and mission, which is why I am pleased to support President Trump's decision to nominate Mr. Lukas to be the Principal Deputy Director of National Intelligence. Next, Mr. Kent's 20 years of military service during the War on Terror provides him with the experience and knowledge needed to lead the fight against terrorism as the Director of the National Counterterrorism Center. Serving as a Green Beret and later a CIA officer, Mr. Kent has dedicated his entire career to courageously hunting down terrorists and keeping Americans safe. He knows firsthand the threat that terrorism presents to our homeland and the devastation it causes. His first wife, Shannon Kent, was killed while serving in Syria in 2019, for which we all express our continued sympathy and gratitude for her service. Mr. Kent is a soldier and a patriot who is the right person to lead the National Counterterrorism Center. Last but not least, Mr. Eisenberg's national security expertise and legal counsel have proven indispensable to the President and senior government officials. In the first Trump administration, Mr. Eisenberg served as the legal advisor to the National Security Council, assistant to the President, and deputy counsel to the President for National Security Affairs. He also previously served at the Department of Justice, where he advised the Attorney General and numerous senior other officials on complex matters, including counsel in the intelligence community. I commend President Trump for nominating Mr. Eisenberg, who has the experience with national security and foreign relations law necessary to serve as the Assistant Attorney General for the National Security Division at the Department of Justice. Finally, I want to note that Mrs. Lukas, Mrs. Eisenberg, and Mr. Kent's family are here today to support our nominees. They have all supported our nominees' years of service to their country, and I thank them all for being here. I now recognize the Vice Chairman for his opening remarks.